To download CapCut and use it, first open Microsoft browser. Then search CapCut for PC. Then click on the link which is down here. If it doesn't open, then go down in this link. Then go down. You can download older versions also. Personally, I use the 8.3 version, but here you can download the latest version. And after you have clicked the download, as you can see, it is being downloaded here. And when it will complete, you just have to open it. After CapCut gets installed here, you need a VPN if you are in India or any other country in which CapCut is banned. You have to download ProtonVPN. It is free and unlimited. You have to click here. After it gets open, you just connect and it will connect to any server. Then you can minimize it and open the CapCut. And now it will fully open. You don't need this. As you can see, it is now open. Thanks for watching.